Good morning, ladies. I'm ready to go to work and just quickly want to share my outfit with you. Very summery. Finally we have very warm weather. So on my feet is Francasarto sandals. My skirt is Olsen. It's a German company and it's 100% linen. Very comfortable for summer. My blouse is Michael Stars. It's an American company. I continue using my World Tour Speedy. For my jewelries, I put Dior Tribal, and this is one of my newest purchases. They kind of like, you know, pearls with little dangly chains. I really love them. I hope they are in focus. Let me try once again. Yeah, my Dior Tribal. And my makeup, once again, very nude, and everything on my face is Tom Ford. Alrighty guys, I will see you soon. Bye bye. Hello ladies, I'm on my way to work and I want to share my outfit with you. Today I'm wearing Calvin Klein dress, very simple, work appropriate, business casual, and it's the first day when I'm wearing my Fendi shoes. I'm very excited about these Fendi shoes. Love those shoes. On my face, very simple makeup. Lately I have a little bit of dermatitis on my skin. It's reaction to some cosmetic products, especially eyeshadow. Like it's very difficult for me to find eyeshadows that I'm okay and I'm not getting any allergic reaction. So today is pretty much just a little bit of liner and mascara, and on my lips I have white lipstick, and I put Pat McGrath just a lip shiner on top. On my arms I have my CDC bracelet, I have my gold ring with the diamonds and pearls, and my ears also I have my white gold and pearls and diamonds earrings. I hope it's focusing. My bag of the day is my Clapton backpack, and just tie with my Fendi shoes. I put my Fendi strap, and seems to me it's quite nice. And obviously I can wear it as a shoulder bag, and I can put it as a crossbody if I need it. And it's all in kind of very muted brownish grayish, like, you know, earthy tone. So that's my outfit of the day, and I will see you next day. Bye bye. Good morning ladies, I'm on my way to work. I just want to quickly share my outfit with you, and my allergies are killing me. Let me just hopefully zoom on my face. Let me just zoom on my face. My allergy is absolutely killing me. I don't know how long I'm going to be suffering from these allergies. It looks like this year is endless story. Anyway, just want to share my outfit with you guys. Today I'm wearing my Tory Burch dress. I'm absolutely in love with this dress, and I got it on sale, so I definitely got a good deal. On my feet I have my Hermes shoes. Really love those shoes. My accessories, my belt is Louis Vuitton belt, and my bag is my Valextra. Just a pop of color in all this outfit. Alrighty guys, thank you so very much, and I will see you next day, hopefully with less allergies. Alrighty, bye bye. Good morning ladies, I'm ready to go to work, and I want to share my outfit with you. So today is pretty much Chanel inspired. I wish if this blouse is from Chanel, but it's from Kate Spade, and I actually love it so very much. When I wear this blouse, I can imagine, you know, Mademoiselle Coco Chanel herself somewhere on La Pusa beach, you know, taking a stroll. And so this is the blouse. It's from Kate Spade, and I absolutely adore it. I love this kind of like almost like a scoop neck, and on the back you see this kind of very feminine details like a ruching. I absolutely adore it. And just to complement this blouse, I put my Chanel necklace. I thought to put my earrings, but I decided no, to keep very clean. I'm wearing my Michael Kors watch. On my other hand, I have my simple gold ring with the diamonds and sapphires, and my gold bracelet. I really love this gold bracelet. My skirt is a Michael Kors skirt. I absolutely adore it. My shoes are Fendi shoes, once again extremely comfortable. And I complete my look with my Chanel Vanity case. It's from Filigree collection. Once again, I adore this collection, and I find Filigree collection a little bit more playful. So you can see this whole outfit kind of like, you know, almost like a beach inspired, very playful outfit. On my face, I have makeup fully done with Charlotte Tilbury. Once again, very subtle and very simple. So I hope that you guys love this outfit. Please put your comments below if you love it or not so very much. Okay, thank you ladies. I will see you next day. Bye bye. Good morning ladies. I'm ready to go to work and I want to share my outfit with you. Today it's a very summery look. So obviously finally summer, like strong and hot and humid, came to Canada, Toronto in fact. So I'm very excited about summer weather. And my outfit today is very simple. My top and my crop pants are from Melanie Lane, and I absolutely adore this company for the summer month. I find that they're very feminine, elegant, but at the same time what I call business casual. You know, you can be dressed up very stylish, but it's very casual look. It's not stiff up, you know, business like suits, etc. On my feet I have my Franco Sarto shoes, and you have seen these shoes so many times on my channel. I absolutely love them. They're the most comfortable pair of shoes, and I have them actually in two colors, this kind of cream and beige, and I have them in black and green. I have almost no makeup on my face. I have major allergies on top of everything. I'm a bit sick. I'm not sure. I think it's more of the cold. So no makeup on my eyes whatsoever, just little bit of defining of my eyebrows, but I put quite bright lipstick on my lips. That's what I usually compensate when there is no eye makeup. I put quite bright lipstick, and I'm wearing today Bite. For my jewelry, I'm wearing my Chanel necklace for very first time. Let me just zoom it, guys. Actually no, I'm lying, it's the second time I'm wearing this necklace, but the first time on kind of like a short satin that it shows quite well. So I'm very in love with this necklace. On my wrist I wear my CDC Hermes scarf, and I'm wearing my white coat with black pearl ring. It's very I actually like this combination together, very classy. And my bag of the day is Speedy 25 in Dami Azure, very summer appropriate. So that's the whole look, the whole outfit. I hope that you guys like it. Please put your comments, yes, no, maybe. What do you think of this outfit? If you would have changed something, if you would have styled it differently, please do not hesitate, put all your comments. I'm a big girl and I can take your criticism. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you next day. Bye bye. Hello ladies, I'm ready to go to work, and as usual I want to share my outfit with you. We have no electricity. I don't know, there must be some kind of damage on the roads. So I hope that it somewhat will show what I'm wearing today. And today my whole outfit is from Olsen. I'm somewhat fan of Olsen company. This is the German-based company, but as I mentioned in a couple of my other videos, they could be hit or misses. Like, you know, some of their collections I find I would say a little bit tacky, but if you find a nice collection or nice style, the quality is outstanding. Some of the items I have for, you know, 5+, almost 10 years. So as I mentioned, I'm wearing Olsen skirt. On my feet, my trusted Sam Edelman shoes. They're the most comfortable pair of shoes that I have. The top, as I mentioned, once again, it's Olsen and it's kind of linen knitted fabric. On my neck, I have my new Chanel necklace and I'm absolutely adore it. I hope I will be able to film, but see how pretty. Let me see if I could focus it. Let's see how pretty that Chanel necklace when you have something open at the back. And if you have your hair up, it's absolutely gorgeous. The tiny details is outstanding. So I have my hair up today because it's extremely hot. On my face, I have very simple makeup, just a little bit of eyeliner and mascara. And on my lips, I have Charlotte Tilbury pencil. And I think it's actually the name of the pencil, it's Nude. And I have Bite lipstick. I continue to wear my CDC bracelet, Hermes bracelet, and I remember I had doubts about this bracelet. I thought maybe I should change it to the black one, and I'm so glad that I didn't because it's absolutely perfect color for summer. You know, it goes absolutely with everything. Neutral, neutral, neutral. And my bag of the day is my Louis Vuitton Speedy in Damier Azur, very summer appropriate. And this year I already have very beautiful patina on this bag. And as I mentioned once, I always leave my strap from my Speedy outside, especially if it's vachetta, so then it can oxidize evenly. So that's my whole outfit for today, ladies, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.